Alright guys, today I'm going to work on this Master Lock Magnum series. I've actually had it for quite a while. I can't believe I haven't actually picked it on camera yet. This one I believe is it's an M930XDLH. It's a nice beefy lock, rubber weather seal on the bottom. Pretty heavy spring, and 40 thousandths pry bar. Let's see if I can use this one. I have picked this several times, but not incredibly recently. That was pin 1. This one is a pain. Let's try that again. 1. I don't feel anything on 2. 3. 4. 5. 5 wants to give me something. And there we go. All right. Need an Allen key to get this out. Let's see. Guess let's try 3 seconds. Now, I did not pick 2 at all. I'm guessing that it's so deep cut that so it's so high that it actually clears without picking, because the top of the driver should be at the shear line. These rubber guards. Oh, everything's falling out. Sorry for all the clanging and banging in the microphone, guys. All right. And it is a crimped core. Double crimped. That's lovely. Well, I'm gonna have to take one of those crimps out. Yeah, busting it out is one way. Cheap metal they made this out of. All right, let's see if that'll work. Oops. Trying to drop everything. That should give me enough room. And I'll probably shim it or I'll regret it. Do I have I knew I had a small padlock shim. All right. Yeah, 6-pin core, pin to 5. Come on. Whoop, dropping 2 of them. Come on. Okay, it doesn't want to come out of there. There we go. Nice. You can see how well flattened that is. Good quality there. All right, let's see. Get the shim out of here. Come on. There we go. Let's, just so I don't forget. Well, it's the crimp core. I'm not going to forget. We're going to work it from the back because I like to use the flat side of the follower here. Okay, 5. This is spool. 6 is also a spool. Or, sorry. 4 is also a spool. 3 is also a spool. 2, spool. And 1, spool. All spools. No standards. Key pins are all standard. Those turned around here. Zoom in. All right, get it focus. So yeah, I got 5 spools, all standard key pins, and I'd be willing to bet. Let's see if I can do this. Let me zoom out a little bit. 2. Yep. 2 driver sits at the shear line without a key in it, so you don't even have to pick it. So it becomes a 4-pin. Master Lock quality. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Things I'm working on. I have a Miwa PR that I've been working on from time to time. I've made progress. I think I'm close, but I'm not there yet. I'm having to make these custom sized dimple flags to really work on it. Anyway, that's just a quick one for today. Thanks for watching. Remember, keep it legal.